Analytics and measurements in social media marketing. Effectively measuring your social media performance provides valuable insights for optimizing your strategy. 1. Define key performance indicators. Clearly outline the metrics that align with your social media goals. Common KPIs include engagement, likes, comments, shares, reach and impressions, click-through rate, CTR, conversion rate, follower growth. 2. Use platform analytics tools. Each social media platform provides analytics tools, and explore these tools to gather data on post performance, audience demographics, and engagement. 3. Regularly review metrics. Set a regular schedule for reviewing your analytics, and weekly or monthly reviews help identify trends and patterns. 4. Understand audience demographics. Analyze the demographic information of your audience. Understand who engages with your content to tailor future posts. 5. Measure engagement. Track likes, comments, and shares. High engagement indicates that your content resonates with your audience. 6. Monitor reach and impressions. Assess how many people your content is reaching and how often. High reach and impressions contribute to brand visibility. 7. Evaluate click-through rate. CTR measures the percentage of people who clicked on your content after seeing it, and a higher CTR indicates effective content. 8. Conversion tracking. Implement conversion tracking to link social media activities to actual conversions on your website, and measure how social media contributes to your business goals. 9. Assess follower growth. Track the growth of your follower base. Analyze what content or campaigns contribute to spikes in follower acquisition. 10. A/B testing. Implement A/B testing for different types of content. Testing times or ad variation. 11. Sentiment analysis. Monitor sentiment around your brand. Understand how your audience perceives your content and address any negative feedback promptly. 12. Benchmark against competitors. Compare your performance against competitors. Identify strengths and weaknesses in your strategy based on industry benchmarks. 13. Adapt and optimize. Use insights gained from analytics to adapt your strategy. Optimize content, posting times, and targeting based on what resonates most with your audience. 14. Reporting. Create regular reports summarizing key metrics and insights. Share these reports with relevant stakeholders to align social media efforts with overall business goals. Subscribe the channel